Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. And look what I bought, a DCF885C1 package. Starting off with the manual, a DCB107 charger, the impact driver itself, a single DCB201 battery. The last one on the list is the contractor bag. But dude, something's missing here. Holy smokes! It's that belt clip. It's missing. It's not included. But wait, it get worse. Where's the gauge, bro? That looks so 1998. So why not adding that kind of birdie to the package? It could be so easy. But I'll swallow my sadness and move on because we got our show to run. Let's do a tool comparison. Brushed versus brushless. Let's take some 2 mAh batteries and roll. That's not what I'd expected, but it is what it is. Thank you for sticking around, and I dropped the mic for today.